product comes in this white packaging with the product image on the front. We have the Oppo branding on its sides, and at the back we have the key features. Let's unbox this. Upon unboxing, we get the power bank, charging cable, and the quick start guide. Though it is a 10,000 mAh power bank, it is sleek and compact. It features this matte texture on its polycarbonate housing, and at the front we have the Oppo branding. On the top we have two USB ports to charge our devices and a Type-C port. We also have this button through which we can check the charge levels. The cable that comes with it is a two-way charging cable. On one side we have the standard USB-A jack, and on the other we have the Type-C jack that also converts into a micro USB jack.